Welcome back, it's Jack. I'm going to show you a Lego Hero Factory set, Rocka 4.0. Rocka 300 game points, 7 to 14, 6202, 55 pieces, not 500. We got energy shield, crossbow, new headpiece, and the crest. I'm not going to show you the back because that's where the code is. Here's the back. I kind of cut off the top. There's that. The instructions are pretty cool. I'll show you the rest. So, there's the guy, okay, Hero Factory, and the pieces. That's not really cool. And then we got the minifigure that I'm showing. I'll call them minifigures, not really Hero Factories. And the Black Phantom. There's that. It's pretty cool. Some pieces, stuff, and I kind of call battle packs, booster packs for some reason. I just said that for no reason. We get Rocka and Black Phantom on third set. He's set, Black Phantom set 6203 and 6202. There's the packs. It's the win guy. Guy that's winning something, and then he gets all these Lego sets and different languages. And this one, even though it says win the same way as us, it is not the right thing because it says Ghana something. I did not read that. And before I show you the set, my other Hero Factories, I only have 3 of them in all. I have this one, Evo 4.0. I'm planning to get, not Stringer, Bulk. I think it's Stringer or Bulk. The one that has, like, 61 pieces. It's one of those guys. I kind of want Bulk instead. Please. So, let's get on to the actual set. Here is, please, him, crossbow, the shield, and I want to show you the headpiece itself. Here's the headpiece. It's really cool. That kind of wheel protector thing, and that's the head. It's like the other 4.0s. It's the green. There you go. Printed sticker thingy, Hero Factory cool thing. Like I said, I'm not going to be showing you it. And then bolt thing. I kind of pushed these in all the way instead of a little bit for some reason. The gun shoots really far actually. Kind of be aware of that. There's that cool piece right there. Energy shield's awesome. In the back view, we get another foot to connect like the bow thing. The arrows are the bows, and the arrows, spears are the arrows. Yeah, it's just the basic back to it. I'll show you the backs like that. It's just like it always does. If you get one of these kinds, the 4.0s, you first start out with the chain things, and then you start out with that. This one does not have a chain because it's not a 4.0. And all 4.0s have guns. Yeah, I think all of them do. I'm not sure. I'm not a master at Hero Factory. I'm pretty into it. I got this guy like yesterday. So, and then this is thing. It's connected by this little piece in you. I'll show you the extra pieces really quickly. And this is what's connecting it, and then you also get this other Technic. And this does come with 4 Technics instead of 2 like the other ones. Use 2 for the gun, and that's all. Not really much to say anymore. It's pretty cool. I really like this set, Rocka. I don't know what my next review is. I'm guessing Evo or Breeze. It looks like Evo because I lost Breeze's thing, the instructions, so I cannot get that. And I found Evo's. My dog chewed it up. Kind of pretty bad, but we got it back out. It's safe. The packaging, I know where it is. The top, I do not know where it is. So Evo's is pretty full. So I'll do Evo's next. I just threw away the trash from this set. I kept it for some reason. And now, well, I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing, but, yeah. And the next video I said was gonna be Evo. He looks awesome. And I did not show you this, so that's good. I might show my dad it right now, because he didn't really know that I had this till I went to bed. And yeah, thanks for watching. You can also, my mom posts on it, and it's Benzo 101 or something like that. Benzo 101 or something like that. This is my second video I've done of Lego parts. Well, not Lego parts, like actually speaking. My other one was actually on YouTube. It's if you go to Annalisa Jump Rope, and then you like watch that, and then you like do the like Alex singing something, and then you might see me. But yeah, and thanks for watching. Bye.